Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to modify or cancel an Instacart order after placing it. Let's get started. First, open the Instacart app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on your profile at the top of your screen, then tap on order. If your shopper has not started shopping yet, you can easily make changes. Tap add items to add more groceries. You can also remove items, change quantities, and update replacement preferences. Just make sure to view your cart after making changes. Now let's talk about cancelling an order. Open your order in the app, scroll down and tap cancel order. If the shopper has not started shopping, you can usually cancel for free. If shopping has already started, Instacart may charge a small cancellation fee. The app will show this clearly before you confirm. Once you cancel, you will see a confirmation message. Any refund will be sent back to your original payment method. This may take a few hours or a few business days. And that's it. That's how to modify or cancel an Instacart order. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.